Hello everyone and welcome back to another Wildlife Wednesday. Today I will be talking about one of the coolest spring wildflowers that blooms here in Wisconsin, that being Sharp-Lobed Hepatica. Hepatica, if you may have heard of it, is a wildflower that blooms from about April to May, and it's incredibly gorgeous as you can see here. If you look closely, you can see little hairs or trichomes that are lining the stem of the flower there. And what those hairs are there to do are to insulate the flower as it is still quite cold at night. So it acts like a little coat that the flower wears to trap in a little bit of air and just keep it from freezing overnight. Another cool thing about this flower is there is actually two species of Hepatica within Wisconsin. One of them being Sharp-Lobed Hepatica, as you can see here by the sharp lobes on the leaf, and Round-Lobed Hepatica. Round-Lobed Hepatica is essentially the same flower, it just has round lobes on the leaves. Something that's also really cool about the leaves is that the leaves won't actually come up until the flower has started blooming. So the flower will first come up, start to bloom, then the leaves will come out. And the leaves will last the entire year, all the way up until next spring, where they'll die off just before the next flowers start to come up. Sharp-Lobed Hepatica comes in a few different colors, ranging from white, dark purple, to even a pink or blue. Also, with Sharp-Lobed Hepatica being one of the earliest wildflowers to come up in the spring, it is relatively easy to find in the environments that it is native to. So where I was here down in Governor Dodge, the flower was very obvious and very easy to find. And so if you're ever out during this time looking for wildflowers, just out for a walk in nature, keep your eyes peeled because you might just see a little tiny, maybe 3 to 6 inch flower blooming next to the trail. And that very well could be Hepatica. Well, hope you enjoyed this little segment on Hepatica. See you next week.